Oh Lord, I am nothing without you. I can do nothing. Remember me today, my Father. Help me, Lord. I have walked through valleys, I have cried in secret places. Many times I thought I was forgotten, but your mercy kept me alive. When my strength was failing, when my heart was breaking, you were the hand that carried me. You were the voice that comforted me. If not for your grace, where would I be? If not for your mercy, who would I become? Without you, Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take not your presence from me. Hold me with your mighty hand. Without you, Lord, I'm empty. Without you, I cannot stand. Remember me today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. I don't want silver, I don't want gold. I only want your presence to walk with me every day. I don't need the praises of men, I don't need the riches of this world. Just let my name ring, written in the palm of your hands. Without you, Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take not your presence from me. Hold me with your mighty hand. Without you, Lord, I'm empty. Without you, I cannot stand. Remember me today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord, when my faith is weak. Help me, Lord. Remember me today. Help me today, as you remembered Joseph. Help me today. Remember me today. Help me today, as you remembered Hannah. Help me, Lord. Remember me today. Help me, as you remember blind Bartimaeus. Remember me today. Ooh, I need you, I need you every hour. I need you, I need you, I need you every moment. I need you. Without you, without you, I am nothing. Without you, without you, without you, I can do nothing. Without you, your mercy, let your mercy speak for me. Your mercy, let your mercy remember me. Your favor, let your favor locate me. Your favor, open doors for me today. Remember me, Lord. Remember me, Lord. Do not pass me by. Remember me, Lord. Remember me, Lord. Let my season change today. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. I cannot do this alone. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Carry me in your arms. Without you, Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take not your presence today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take now your presence from me. Hold me with your mighty hand. Without you, Lord, I'm empty. Without you, I cannot stand. Remember me today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. I surrender everything to you. I surrender, my life belongs to you. You are my refuge, my hiding place. You are my strength, the lifter of my head. I belong to you. I belong to you forever and ever. I belong to you. I belong to you. Forever and ever. Without you, Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take now your presence from me. Hold me with your mighty hand. Without you, Lord, I'm empty. Without you, I cannot stand. Remember me today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. Lord, I'm nothing without you. I have no song. Take now your presence from me. Hold me with your mighty hand. Without you, Lord, I'm empty. Without you, I cannot stand. Remember me today, my Father, and let your mercy speak for me. Without you,